So today we are gonna be playing hide and seek with my two cousins, and well, let's just get into the video, okay? But make sure to comment down below and leave a like on this video, and let's see if we can get to 20,000 subscribers. So let's get into it.